Here we are on the notes for 4.30. So this is the last section in the, solving equations part of your packet. And it says now at the top now we have 3 steps to follow. So first step is to simplify, which means you might have to distribute or combine like terms, maybe both. And then it's just on to what we have been doing. Then you undo the addition or subtraction. Then you undo the multiplication or division. So the top part here is just about simplifying, so combining like terms. So if I have 2x's and then I add on another 5x's, that would leave me with 7x's in total. Part B here, first I would need to multiply the 8 and the 3, which would give me 24. So I'm really looking at 7 plus 24, and 7 plus 24 is 31. Part C here, I have 1x, and I'm adding 3 more to that, so that would be 4x's, plus another one would be 5x. And then part D, I would first have to multiply. 3 times 2x would be 6x. I'll bring everything else down. Now here, I can only combine the x's together, okay? It's like if I asked you if there were cupcakes and apples on a table and I asked you to count how many cupcakes there were, you wouldn't also include the apples. So 6x plus 5x would be 11x, and then plus 4 would just kind of hang out there at the end. So now when we go in to solve, in number 1 here, I have x plus 3x and then the 4 times the 9. So first I'll have to combine like terms. So x plus 3x would be 4x equals, and then 4 times 9 is 36. And now this is just a one-step equation. So I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides, and 36 divided by 4 would be 9. In number 2 here, so on the left side, I can combine the 2x plus 5x, so that would be 7x, and then bring down the plus 3 equals, and then 18 minus 1 is 17. And now I have a two-step equation here. So first I will have to subtract 3 on both sides. So I get 7x equals 14. Divide by 7 on both sides, so I get x equals 2. In number 4 here, first we'll want to multiply. So 3m times 4 would be 12m. Bring down everything else. Don't do too much at once. Now I can combine 12m minus 3m would be 9m. Minus 3 equals 24. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I get 9m equals 27. Divide by 9 on both sides, and I get m equals 3. Now in number 4 here, I need to distribute first. So I'm going to distribute this 3 to both parts. So 3 times 2x is 5x, minus 3 times 1 is 3. Bring down the plus 2x equals, and then this is 3 times 7, which is 21. Now I can combine the 5x and the 2x. So this is really 7x minus 3 equals 21. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Oh goodness, I have a typo here. Hold on. This shouldn't be 5x, this should be 6x. 6x, and then 6x plus 2x would be 8x. There we go. So then I have 8x equals 24. Divide by 8 on both sides, and I get x equals 3 again. In number 5 here, I'm going to take care of my multiplying first. So 8 times 2 is 16. 3 times 5 is 15. And bring everything else down. All right, don't do too much combining at once. So now on the left, I can combine 5x plus 7x would give me 12x minus 16 equals, and then 5 plus 15 is 20. So now here I'm going to add 16 to both sides. I get 12x equals 36. Divide by 12, divide by 12, and again I get x equals 3. And now in the last one here, let's see, on the left side I can combine the 2x and the 3x. I can also combine 8 plus 3. So you can see I've boxed the numbers and circled the letters. So 8 plus 3 would be 11, plus 2x plus 3x would be 3x equals, and then 5 times 8 is 40. So I'm going to subtract 11 from both sides. 40 minus 11 would give us 29. 3x equals 29. Divide by 3 on both sides. And this doesn't make a nice number, so you can just leave it as 29 thirds, and that's okay. All right, so that's all for lesson 30, and then we'll do some more practice together in class.